to everyone, guys. Today in this video, I will just show you how we can change the point of sale receipt. So what it means, let me just show you. But before that, um, I must tell you that I am using Odoo16, and this is very important because uh, Odoo has introduced uh, the new JavaScript in Odoo16. And if you will try to do it through like in Odoo 15 way or 14 way, that will not work. So that's why this tutorial is really important. So let me just show you first. If I go in settings, so this is Odoo16 Community Edition. Um, if you will follow through with this tutorial, please install Point of Sale. So if you go in Applications, Apps, and click and just right here POS, so you will see Point of Sale here. It has already been installed. And what is this? If you have not seen it before, I just show you. If you will click Point of Sale, if first time you will install, it will ask that if you already have downloaded demo data, then it will not ask, but otherwise it will ask, do you want to import demo data in Point of Sale? If you don't want to import demo data, then you can import your own products manually and then just configure this and before using Point of Sale. So if I click continue selling, we just need to start our session. It's done. So let me just choose a customer. So I would say Terence Mike. I have sold these two products to him, and I go on the payments. On payments, um, I would say I have received cash and I want to validate it now. So you would see this is the receipt. Um, so in here, it's being served by administrator, which is me. Uh, this is the company details, and these are the products which I have sold. Total cash I have received, and this is pretty looking receipt. So we just want to change the contents or just want to add a couple of things. This is because of the request of some of uh, subscribers, our channel subscribers, they have requested me and they just told that if they want to add some stuff or some module data in this POS model and then want to print it here on the receipt. So how we can do that? So this is just for and I also realized that um, for in Odoo 16 there are JavaScript just new way how to do all this. Okay, so first of all, what we do, we will just add a customer name. So because as I have just told you, I have just shown you that I have chosen for this receipt a customer Terence Mike. So we say that whatever customer we choose it from here, we want to print it on our receipt as well. So let's do how we can do that. Okay, you can also create your own module for that, but what I will do, I have already created a custom module, which is today in this case is Wounded Souls. This is a custom module. There is nothing inside at the moment, just small tweaks. So what we need to do um, first of all, if you don't have static folder, you need to create. Then after that, you need to create in static file, there is a subfolder which is src. Then in src, you need to create two folders, two more subfolders to src. First one will be JS and second one will be XML. I have already created SCSS, which I told in my previous video for SSS layout. This is a new form of file, SCSS, not CSS, the old one. But you just need to create two more folders, JS and XML. Okay. So first, we just need to write and we just need to create a new file in JS I would say new file, and I say that name client name dot js. Okay, and we also create a new file in XML here, and we say client, or we say POS customization, and we say XML. Okay, so two files we have created. Again, let me just again explain the infrastructure. So first of all, this is a custom folder, Wounded Souls. In that folder, you need to create another folder which is static. In that folder, you need to create two more folders, src and xml. Oh, sorry. You need to create src folder inside um, static. And then in src, you need to create two more folders, js and xml. And I have created a file client name, any file you can create, and you can create another file in XML as well. Okay, so first we are going to write in JavaScript. How we can write and what will be the structure for this syntax of, let me just take you to Odoo base modules, and you need to go there in POS, point of sale, because that is the module we are going to inherit. So you need to go there in point of sale, and then you need to go in static. So first point of sale, then in static, then in src, the similar kind of structure we are going to create. And then after that, you need to go in JS. And then in JS, you need to go in receipt screen. And then the one we need, that is order receipt.js. So if you see this file, so you can just copy this structure and just copy like couple of lines. So basically we are going to inherit order receipt and then extend its classes. So I just close this, and here I just paste. So first of all, we say that Odoo.define, and here uh, we just need to give our module name, which is in this case Wounded Souls, and that is, we say here, models, and function require use strict. Let me just uh, use strict. Okay. What I have done, just for saving time, I have written uh, just for saving time, because I don't want to create too long videos. So just give me 1 minute. So we say that Odoo.define, and here we need to give our module name, which is Wounded Souls, and dot models. Yes, that is our model. Uh, function require use strict. We have to give this, as you have seen, that is also used by Odoo16. Okay, here we are creating two variables and passing the values, and we are getting point of sale models, because that is what we are required for. And then we are creating a const custom order here, and we are extending, basically guys, we are doing a just similar supering the, in my previous videos I have just shown you in Odoo how to override a create function, how to override a write function and unlink function, etc., etc. So it's very similar to that. If you know JavaScript, you absolutely will nail it. You know what I'm talking about. So basically we are just extending the class, which is a custom order. That is a class we are extending. So how we have got this custom order, I have already shown you that if you go in point of sale, if you go in order receipt, so you will see this is the order receipt. We are just extending this class. So that order receipt class is using, and we just want to pass our um, another extra data and then just want to print that. So we are just extending this class, and this export for printing, this is a function which is basically using for sending data for next further printout on the receipt. And how you can find that, uh, this is the benefit that I have done all the research and I'm just telling you, so it's so easy for you guys. If you go in point of sale, then static, and then source, and here you can see model.data, so models.js. So if you just, it's pretty big file, guys. It's like you see that it's around 3000, and oh my goodness, 3003. So well, I have researched and I've just taken out, so basically the function which is using for printing, I have just, this is the one which is called export for printing. So let me just control F and I search this. So if you see, this is the function, and what it's doing, it's returning all these values: price, quantity, product name, price list, price with tax, and etc. But it's not returning client's name. So this is what we are doing now. So we are actually, we are supering that class first, and then we are saying, um, we are getting the client, and we are getting partners data, and then we are extending it with um, I will show you what we are doing in XML. So basically, so we are just supering it first, and then we are getting the partner. And after getting this, we just need to pass this in XML. So I have created a file here, XML file, POS customization. So we have just done our bit on JavaScript, and now we need to XPath. And guys, this XML is bit different. It's not it's not very similar what we have used to. So let me just, I have already um, written this, guys. So let me just show you that how it is, just for saving time. So this is bit different than uh, this is bit different than the views XML and how we were writing the XML before. But if you have already used JavaScript and Odoo, you will just know that what I'm talking about. So here, let me just, okay, right. So this is the basic syntax, and how we are writing in source and then XML. First of all, we are just creating template ID, and you can just write any template ID here. I've just written just for example template, and then XML space. We just need to give a preserve. Then we are using that order receipt. As you know, this is just the name. I have just given order receipt, and I am inheriting point of sale and then order receipt. I have just shown you that file already. We are inheriting that file and we are extending it, and then we are doing the same XPath there. We have already got the get partner, and we are saying here there is a class there in uh, when you will see that model.js, you will see an XML file. You will just see there is a class for a header in there, and I'm just passing in this class POS receipt contact, that class. I'm just passing my data which I want to, and I'm saying that if there is client, then just give that client dot name there. That is already in model, POS model already client there, but basically it's not getting that client's uh, uh, data into the POS. but by this, uh, we will get the client's name on our receipt. Okay. After doing this XML file, what you need to do in if you were giving the um, path in manifest file before in Odoo 15 or 14, that will not work. So how you need to give the paths through this. Let me just uncomment this. So basically, you just need to write in the same way assets and then point of sale. The module we are using, inheriting, that is point of sale at the moment, dot assets. And then we need to give our file paths. But we just don't need to give exact file names here. We just need to say wounded soul, that is the module name, my custom module name, then static source and in JS file, whatever it is in that file, that's it. And whatever in the XML folder, it will just get it from there. And that's it. Let's restart my service and let me just, let me just go in another tab. I go in apps and I just want to upgrade my module, which is this. Let's upgrade. Sorry for this, guys. This is the quickest I can do. This is the quickest I can do. That's why I've just written something, so I will not waste that. But still, um, it's 16th minute at the moment, so it will take time. But this is pretty important and pretty good thing. I mean, you will just love it. It's all the research I have already done. I'm just giving you classes name and all that. So I hope you will love this video. So I go in POS, point of sale. I click continue selling. Oh man, sorry, it's taking time. This is it. Okay, let's choose a customer. I would say already there is a customer there, Terence. Mike, I choose some products here. I click payment. I have accepted cash. Okay, validate it. And we have not received, I have not seen it here, the name. Okay, let's check it again. If customer has been selected, continue. Maybe it has been unselected. Okay, customer, and I choose Terence. Yeah, it's there now. Use products, payment, and cash. Validate. And voila, client Terence Mike. Beautiful. Guys, I hope you will really, really like this. So we have added client there. So how we have added, you can just look in if I go in my client's name file. So I've just got the client from here, the partner from here by using JavaScript file and then passing it in my um, XML. So recipients, and I have just say client here, just a string, and then the data is coming from clients.name. So okay. One more thing, guys. One more thing, very very important thing. So at the moment we have just got in the contact class. The class name is POS receipt contact. We have inherited that um, class and we have positioned our data inside that class. So now what we need to do, what we are going to do, one more thing, very important. So I'm coming on the product lines now. What we will do at the moment, we are getting product lines, we are getting product name, but next to them, next to the product name, I just want to show you how we can get the product code, how it is. I mean, how is that? I hope you like the idea. Okay, let's do in just quick time. It's already 20 minutes video, so I will not take too long. So what we do, guys, we just create a new file here. In JavaScript folder, I'm going to create a new file, and I just name this file product underscore code dot js. Okay, in this file, let me just copy content from here. Right. The same thing in this file, I would say Odoo.define, and the same module name I have got wounded soul dot models function requires similar use strict. Yes. Here, because I would say I'm not getting order, I'm entering in order. I would say order line, the variable order line. It's better. Require point of sale models. Yes. Registries similar require point of sale dot registries. Yes, that's fine. Here we would say custom, and I would say custom order, and here order line. Yes. We are going into order line. Say order line, automatically it's coming there. Then in class, and we say custom order line, and we are extending order line. Yep. And export for printing. Yes. We are supering it super dot export for printing. Yes, exactly the same. And result dot we say default code. So before, why default code? If I go in context, not context, I will will say sales, and you go in products, and when you click on any product, so you will see internal reference. If I go in the technical uh, field here, you will say default underscore code. That is the technical name for this field. This is what we want, cons 0001. When I will choose this product, next to this product name, it should, we should receive cons underscore 0001, guys. Okay. So result dot default underscore code is equal. What we are going to do, I'm just passing star here. I will say that I want star. Um, Sorry, and I would say this dot get the function I'm using product, and then get default default code. Yep. Um, that's it. And then return result. Yes. And registries dot model dot extend order line. Yes. And the class is custom order line. Cool. Okay, guys. Very similar. What we are doing here, we are just getting next to the product, I'm saying that star, um, and then get product default code. So now we need to pass this uh, in our XML file. So already you have seen uh, there is one template. We don't need to write another template. We just need to copy paste this bit here and Control C. I paste it here, and T name, I say that order lines, and receipt. That's it. T inherit. I'm inherit point of sale dot order lines receipt. Yes, so that is lines receipt. Yes, T inherit mode is extension, and all is one. Yes, X paths. Okay, here I have already done research that where we want to do. So basically, let me just Okay, guys. So there in order line, there is TS, and we say line dot product name. So that is that has already been used there, and that has called product underscore name underscore wrapped, and it's zero in that list. So we are passing after that product name, and we are passing our line dot default code. That's it. So let's restart the service. So we have done our bit. Guys, one more thing in manifest file, this new file which I have created, product underscore code, I don't need to uh, give reference anywhere because already whatever in JS folder, automatically it will be picked. So it's time to upgrade our module. I hope you will find this very valuable. I've just given some time, guys, couple of hours, and just that JS file, as you have seen, model.js file. I would recommend you go and read that, read that code. So let's go in point of sale, continue selling. Oh, what is the error? Let me just check that. Okay. So guys, I think, yeah, this is a typo mistake. Let's restart it again. And what I do, I just um, pause it. Once it will be upgraded, it's uploading. Okay, no errors, I hope. Yeah. Okay, let's go in point of sale now. Continue selling. Love selling. Okay. Sorry, it's a bit slow. What is happening? Let's refresh this. Restart. I think I just need to restart. It's so slow. It's just so slow. There are no errors, but it's just so slow. What I do, let me just pause this and okay, guys. I restarted my system and yeah, there was no error. So everything cool. I click customer here, Terrence Mike. Uh, Two products I have sold. Click payment, received cash, validate, and voila. You can see here this star we have already given uh, a custom, and this is the code we are automatically uh, getting after our product. We have done two customizations. One is this client name here. So whatever customer we will choose, we will get it here, and you can just get here whatever you like, whatever field you want to print here, or on order line, whatever you want to do. Even in total change, it's up to you what you want to do. You just need to trace the or fetch the class and then need to extend that. So again, just a rewrap. We have created two JS files, one for client name, one for product code. Very similar code. In client name, we are just getting the partner, that function by this function get partner, and then we are just passing that a name into our XML file and getting the results in second JavaScript file. Very similar code. We are just extending order line despite the order, and then we are using the same supering export for printing function, and after that we are using the same get product function, and from that product we are fetching the technical name of the field which we want, where that is default code, and then passing them in XML. This is the syntax which I have just told you. I will also give link on GitHub where I will also save all this, or you can also download this data as well. I will pass these files not in the form of module, but I will pass 1, 2, 3 file, and I will also pass a sample manifest file. But the main thing to look at, it's only this bit, assets. That's it. All other things are just handy. You can just customly just use whatever you like. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you will like it, just like it, subscribe my channel, share it with your friends. I really need your support to come up with new and innovative ideas all the time, which can help everyone, all Odoo community. It's not just me, it's just everyone. Sometimes I can ask something from you guys. So this community we need to develop, and we need to work together. Um, yeah, that's it. Be safe. Take care. Bye bye.